Epstein. Epstein Island.
I'm not getting chased.
Hey, Shadi. Hey, darling.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it.
That thing is so good.
When I run, I run. When I run, baby.
I know it's good. I know it's good. I know it's good. I know it's good.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Not going.
Alright, he's not chasing us. He's not chasing us.
You don't even know the full story, bro. He told me if he sounds like a girl, boy, and I said he sounds like a girl.
Oh.
I am a girl.
Oh.
Oh, see, fucking knew it.
Batman.
See, there you go.
That's a
Yep.
Are you a woman? I'm a
Yo,
woman. What?
Oh my God. I'm about to.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to.
Why? Say hello. Say hello. I'm going
Oh,
around.
I didn't even see.
Wait, how old are you?
Yeah, someone go through there.
Yeah.
You're what?
Oh, they have them.
You're not
They have
14.
them.
You're not
He's gone.
14.
Oh,
You're
crap.
not 14. You're not 14. You do not sound 14.
I'm not. I'm
Oh, yo, he's going to back. He's going to back. 12? Okay, 12, I would believe.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
12, I would believe.
Guys, he's definitely not right there.
Totally not.
Pretty sure he is.
He's definitely got me. Who's going to take me?
Holy G.
No way.
Yo, holy G.
Oh my God. He's in spawn. No, what are you
Should I
doing,
go?
Grandma? What are you doing, Grandma?
Oh, he
Where's
went to
he
back.
Are you okay, mister? What are you doing?
They're coming from Bean Avenue. They're coming from Bean Avenue. They're coming from
No, we
Bean
were
Avenue.
the thing. Bro, open.
Did you see that?
Hey, Brody, hold on.
Yo, he's in death. He's in death.
Yeah. You can still use that.
No.
But I'm still using that.
Yo.
Just because you black doesn't mean you get to run away. Get Run, guys! Y'all know how to play, right?
The black monkey is coming for us.
Bro, stop fucking Oh my God!
Okay,
you
we're
almost
good.
killed me. Alright guys, open that Mickey Mouse.
Guys, I know a method. Go slow. The bean paces off your speed. The bean goes off your speed.
Smell like Taco Bell. Whoa! Here's that back. Taco Bell. Even though I never even eat it. Only close Oh my, this is name is Yup, guys.
We're good. We're good.
Ribbit.
Yeah.
What does
Yo,
everybody
guys,
say?
say
Yep,
yep, Kaisers. Yep, Kaisers. But okay. Where'd the bee go? Guys, can you hear me? Oh, yeah. Dude, you're bums.
Oh, there's some. Oh, there's some
Open back,
okay,
bro.
and
Where's Bean?
we're all bums here, right?
We? Who's we?
Thank you.
Where's Carmen? No!
Open back from the door now.
Open the
I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong, and I am very sorry. I just would like to move.
Oh my God.
Where's he at?
Oh shit.
Bite us in
He's going that way. He's going. Go. You guys better run away from that. You guys better run away from that.
No.
Who's looking
I
around?
just heard him.
You, he's going.
That my big ass thumb.
I fucked that. Bro, damn.
See
Guys,
that
look, he's
boy?
right here. Guys, hey, listen. Run into the wall.
Stay right there. Hey, stay right.
Alright, bro, what the fuck? Were you moaning while you were doing it? I like big dick on my butt. I like big dick on my butt.
Sound
wait, no,
like
he's
he's
not
in
Wait.
middle.
They're coming through back. They're coming through back. Yeah, you're right. Open the door. I want to see, bro.
Oh, you're right. You're right. Oh, you're right.
Is he mean?
No, you're wrong. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're wrong. You bitches.
Ooh, you right, baby, you right, you wrong, you real fucking wrong.
No, he's not in death. No, he's not.
Oh my God. Why do you shake your head whenever you run? Go this way because I didn't want to die.
You're gonna get me killed now.
Guys, I'll say.
Yo, run!
Black, why do you shake your head whenever you run?
Yo, why do you shake your head when you run?
No, I'm doing your mom.
It gives you an advantage.
Do it real quick.
Boy, Bean, he's such a good boy.
Oh shoot! Right!
I'm kidding.
Bill Nye, the nigger of Summon.
He's coming from back, he's coming from back, he's coming from back!
Summon. D.
No, he's not.
He said he's coming.
He's in death, he's in death.
Go.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be wild.
Okay, I'm chilling.
No!
I go around sometimes and I hang out with other people that are my age and they're just...
Alright, I'm gonna try and do it with the light.
He's not long though.
He's behind you! I want to be famous!
I don't know.
He's behind me, huh?
Yup. Yeah, I'm sorry, now you're right. I'm sorry.
Bro,
Help me!
I ain't taking my chances, man.
yeah, I'm not doing it. Go!
Purple ball!
Why did you chase me? Yo! I'm dead.
I said that. It was because I'm not getting out. Look at why you spamming your
Oh God!
Chasing somebody? That is funny, bro.
Fuck you, this shit.
I was trying not to laugh so hard.
Guys, run!
Let's go over here.
34.
Guys, come right behind you guys.
Me.
I told you.
Pink, you're good, don't worry. We're good, Pink.
Bro!
$13,000 a month. What more do you want from me?
Yo, Pink, we're chilling.
We are not chilling,
It
bro.
went way over there. It went way over there. It went way.
Wait, so fair.
Everyone is fine.
Hit the spawn,
He's going. You're trying to kill me, huh? You're trying to kill me, Duck, and spawn.
Bye, guys.
Bitch boy, come here.
What more do you want from me?
We're being chased.
Loser.
Being adventure mode.
That's what you guys get. You guys learn the hard way.
Shut the fuck up. Not to be a
You cannot catch a break.
What more do you want from me?
Holy crap.
A little bit, you know, just a
Don't
little.
go to the other side.
I'm getting
It's not coming.
nutted on.
Reach in there and pull it out.
What is this?
It's turkey day.
Nowhere, bro. Hey, ladies.
Yo, I think he's stuck.
It killed someone. I'm about to put my Lena in your mouth. I found him. Someone said that.
Oh, that stupid fag was already there, you Nick.
Yeah,
Does that
the
make you
found
sound
him.
stuck? Whoa.
My bad, don't leave.
Yo.
Hey!
What is
Get
what a
down,
nigga.
get down, bro. Die!
Alright. Let's try caves, actually.
His name is dead.
I forgot how this game works.
Dude, there's only one way.
My mama pooped in my skibbity, and my skibbity pooped in my mama.
Oh my god.
You ain't gonna fucking turn around, motherfucker. You ain't gonna fucking turn around.
He's right there.
That's why you got the moving animations of level 2 Capuchin. He's right here.
Hey, Mimic, you have ugly, bloody hands.
No, I let
Did you jerk it off?
He
that
jerked it
bacteria.
off until it bleeds.
Run, guys, run!
I swear to God, there's one.
So that it all over her body, yeah. She just went off on.
Oh, he's right there. Where?
Open door, open door.
Let me in! Open it.
You I can hear it footsteps.
Hey!
Y'all can hear him.
I don't think I need
No!
Hey!
I love you!
Oh!
You better run, Yellow.
He's coming that way. You're cooked. You're
I'm
cooked.
sorry, Yellow.
I can close the door.
Yellow.
See?
Yellow.
Crap. I can close the door. You're cooked.
Oh my god.
You say, can you get what? Some head from you. He say, can he get some head from you?